Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Trello board. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to head to the Trello.com website. And from here, you will need to log in into your account. So you click on login. I already have an account with Google. I'm just going to log in with my Google account and then I will access my workspace. So basically from the workspace, you will need just to choose any workspace. For example, here, I will go to boards, for example, and from here, you can just go to your boards. And if you want to create new board, basically you need just to click new board and you can start with the templates. Otherwise, from here, from the working space here, you can click on this plus sign to add new boards. So I can just click from this, add this new board, and this is how I can create new boards easily on Trello. If you want to go back to the board space or the board collection from here, you can start creating your own board from here, or you can choose from a full template gallery. You click here and you can browse all the Trello templates and you can choose any templates that will go with your project or your working or your productivity base or style. So basically, after choosing any templates that you would like, you will need just to click on use templates. You would give it a title, depends on your project. For example, project name here and create. And basically now you can start using the template as your own board. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.